Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, I got some pork steaks in here from Porter Road. We're gonna get them seasoned up and get them on here. I did some pork steaks a while back. I did more of a hot and fast version. Turned out really good, but we're gonna slow this one down a little bit and do a little low and slow and then braise them off, and who knows, we might even sear them off at the end. We'll see how that goes. Guys, let's go inside and get these things prepped. Hey guys, we're gonna keep this very simple. I'm not gonna put any kind of a binder on here this time, and I'm just coming in with some Gillaholics beef barbecue ribs. All we're using here tonight, guys. I'll be honest with you guys, I thought these would be a little thicker. They're only about, it might be 3/4 of an inch. I was hoping they were at least an inch thick, but that's all right. We'll get by with what we got. Tell you what, that'll speed up the cook too, and that's kind of good tonight, to be honest. So maybe we only spend about an hour and a half. Hour to an hour and a half on the smoke instead of the 2 hours that I was anticipating. And then give them a flip and get the other side. If they were thicker, I'd go a little bit heavier, maybe even put extra seasoning on there, but as thin as they are, I think this is going to be plenty. Let me get this seasoned, finished up here, and when that charcoal is ready to dump, we'll get out there and get her going. I do believe we are mostly there. Go ahead and get this dumped. Oh, it's hot. So I'll get her all heated up. Guys, let's get these on in here, away from the fire. I'm gonna come on in here. This is a piece of cherry wood, guys. Same one piece right here. We're gonna get some smoke going on this. Guys, I will check back in about an hour to an hour and a half. They're not real thick steaks here, so I don't think it's gonna take as long. So we'll just check back in an hour and see where we are. I bet we are further along than we thought. I'm gonna flip these just for even cooking, even though we might just be wrapping these. I'm gonna check some temperatures real quick. Has some great smoke on there. Come in here. These are so thin. I just don't think we're 136. Yeah, we're right there. We're at 138. Guys, I'm gonna wrap these. Yeah, very consistent. I'm gonna wrap these. I thought I had a pan so I could braise these off. I do not. That's my bad. But let me get this set up and I'll show you what we're gonna do to bring these on up and get them good and tender. Alright guys, bear with me. It's a little windy out here. But since I don't have a good braising pan, I'm just gonna wrap these individually right here. Bear with me. See here, I got a couple pats of butter for each one of these. I gotta make something here. There we go. And I just got some Sweet Baby Ray's, the hickory brown sugar. Put a little drizzle right over top. That's all we're really gonna do for now, guys. Gotta be careful. Give these a good wrap. We'll put it right back on the fire. One more. Couple pats of butter. Barbecue sauce. Wrap it up. Do this to the rest and I'll get them back on the grill, guys. Right back on there. I'm gonna check back in about 45 minutes to an hour, see where we are. Okay, we're officially about 2 hours into this cook total time. I'm just gonna unwrap one of these and see if I can't get a temp. Can't tell you how good this smells. And they're so thin, I gotta be real careful. We got a ways to go, guys. Which I'm not that surprised, to be honest with you. 160, 161. I'm gonna turn these, get this wrapped back up. I'm gonna give them a turn and let them go about another 30 minutes to see where we are. You know, normally on a thicker cut, this would be about a 4-hour cook, so we're still making good time, I feel like. We give these a turn, 180 degrees, just for some even cooking. Ouch, 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 that's hot. Ouch, that fell apart. I'm gonna get some more full and patch that. And yeah, gonna patch a couple of them. All right, guys, I'll be back in about 30-40 minutes. All right, guys, we're about 2 hours and 45 minutes into this cook. And I just want to get some temps. I feel like we're probably close. Yeah, we're 203. These need to come out of the foil and get back on here and go to our next step. That's like butter, guys. I can't wait. One by one, I'm gonna get these off of here. Would you look at that, all that pull back? My goodness. Because I can, I'm just gonna drain all of that right back on there. Marvelous, guys. We're good to go. Alright, guys, I'm gonna take these guys 2 at a time. I'm gonna come over here directly over the fire just for a minute or 2 on each side. Get a little crispness on there. Alright, go ahead and give these guys a flip. I just want to put a little crispness on there is all I do. Just crisp them up just a little. And guys, pull these off. Go with the other 2. Same deal. Just for a minute. Give them a flip. Now guys, one last thing, and then we're taking them off. We're gonna hit these with one more layer of this Sweet Baby Ray's. Not real heavy. I just finish off that bottle. I think we will. Alright guys, I'm gonna cover this, let that barbecue sauce set for a few minutes, and then we're gonna pull these. We'll go inside for a taste test. Alright guys, tell you what, looks good. We was on the grill right at 3 hours. That's not bad, considering that's, you know, a pretty thin cut steak there. Let's see how I did here. Of course, I got right in the part of, there we go. Looks pretty good, pretty tender. Could have been a little bit better, but that's all right. There we go. Pork tender, almost. Here we go, guys. Let's get a bite of that. All right, guys. It's going in here. I feel pretty tender, guys. For a thin cut of meat. Little disappointed in that. First time I've really ever been a little disappointed with something from Porter Road. I really thought they would be thicker. Next time I bring you pork steaks, they're gonna be thick. You know, I'm not gonna disappoint. I don't think I'm really disappointed on this because this is good. Good flavor. See if I can come in and get another bite here. Oh yeah. Sweet Baby Ray's come through, as always. And that Killer Hogs, Killer Hogs, the barbecue rub. That's excellent here. I actually had an extra bottle on standby in case I needed it, but we did not. Guys, thank you so much for this. I really enjoyed this cook. Again, normally on some thicker cuts that'd have been about a 4 or 5 hour cook. We was able to do this in 3, so it went really well. So guys, thank you as always. Guys, do me a favor, hit that like button. It helps us out a lot. Subscribe if you have not already. And hit that bell notification, let you know every time I get a new video. So guys, until next time, God bless ya. Bye-bye.